Hey guys, in this video, we are going to review the Shark Navigator Upright Vacuum ZU561 you can buy right now. If you want more information and update and pricing, be sure check the links in description below. So let's start the video. If you're on the market for a good upright vacuum, then you've come to the right place. The Shark Navigator Upright Vacuum is one of the best upright vacuums on the market, and you're going to learn what it has to offer you. Highlighted features: 700W motor and 25 feet cord length, multi-surface cleaning suitability, large capacity dust cup, simple maintenance. Most upright vacuums are large, bulky, and clunky. This upright vacuum is the exact opposite. Instead of being large and cumbersome, this upright vacuum is quite slim and it lacks the bulk and heft of most upright vacuums. Instead of having a clunky and confusing design, this upright vacuum has a design that is simple, clear, and concise. It is this convenience and simplicity that defines this upright vacuum. Using this upright vacuum is easy, and since it's easy to use the vacuum, it's easy to vacuum the floors in your home. When you are moving the vacuum across your floors, you'll find that the actual movement and maneuvering is almost effortless. This is due to a feature known as swivel steering. Swivel steering is a feature that allows you to swivel and turn the vacuum with just a slight motion on the handle. Instead of having to pick up and adjust the vacuum, as you do with most other upright vacuums, you can simply swivel the vacuum and push it towards the space that you need to clean. Along with swivel steering, however, there is another feature that adds a significant amount of convenience to the overall vacuuming experience. This is the lift-away feature, and it has to do with the fact that the motor and dirt tank are contained within a single unit, which is in the middle of the vacuum cleaner. Pros: the vacuum cleaner that deep cleans up now cleans up itself. The 0M self-cleaning brushroll provides non-stop hair elimination. Use it as an upright vacuum cleaner for potent floor as well as carpet cleaning, or even for more portability. Separate the container to enter into lift-away mode to effortlessly clean up above floor surface areas such as stairs and furniture. Anti-allergen complete seal technology plus HEPA filtering system catches allergens and dust within the vacuum. Swivel steering offers simple and easy maneuverability for cleaning up tough to reach places. Cord length 25 to 30 feet. You can remove this unit from the main cleaner head by grabbing onto the handle of the vacuum. Then, when you've picked up the unit, you have access to the extended wand and the nozzle that is attached to the wand. Using that nozzle, you can vacuum underneath couches and chairs, on couches and chairs, along walls and doorways, and in a variety of other spaces that would, normally, be very difficult to reach. If you don't want to use the vacuum in lift-away mode, or you simply don't need to, then you can use upright mode. Upright mode is the mode that you'll, most likely, be using the most with this upright vacuum. In upright mode, you simply maneuver the vacuum around your home, just as you would a normal upright vacuum. It's a basic mode that makes use of the excellent swivel steering feature, as well as the fantastic brushroll that this vacuum uses. Through the use of the 0M brushroll, you are able to vacuum on hard floors and soft floors. What makes the 0M brushroll special is the fact that it's able to dive into the depths of a carpet, rug, so that it can remove all of the dirt, hair, and gunk that is within those surfaces. Then, it's able to clean itself, without you having to do anything, on its own. The 0M brushroll is exceptionally useful. It makes vacuuming on rugs and carpets easy, and it cleans itself. But, the 0M brushroll wouldn't be nearly as useful if this vacuum wasn't equipped with strong suction power. With the powerful motor that this vacuum contains, the entire vacuum works exceptionally well, because it's able to vacuum up everything that's in its path. If it's moving across a thick rug that is full of dirt and dust, it's able to vacuum up the dirt and dust that is within that surface. And, if you are using lift-away mode, the same applies to surfaces such as couches and chairs. While this upright vacuum is excellent, it does have two small flaws that may, or may not, be important to you. One of these flaws is the price. This isn't a particularly inexpensive upright vacuum, and as such, if you aren't looking for something that offers this level of convenience and efficiency, then this may not be the upright vacuum you are looking for. The other flaw is that the 0M brushroll doesn't always work very well when using the self-cleaning feature. Most of the time, it does, but there are times when hair gets stuck to it and you have to remove it yourself, which can be annoying.
Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future. Be sure check out the description the links, for final most up-to-date pricing and all the product mentioned in this video.